We've figured out what top talent wants. It's simple: better leadership, a brighter future, and a bigger vision. At Bray Scarff, we offer it all. As a local family-owned retailer, caring, loyalty, and connection are woven into our core values. We're here to help you succeed and find passion in what you do. Whether you're looking for a better work-life balance, industry education and training, or advancement opportunities, our leadership team provides consistent guidance with goal-driven initiatives and a vision toward growth that's essential for top performers. Surround yourself with a culture that strives each day to raise the bar. Come work with us at Bray Scarff, the #1 independent appliance retailer in the region. A great company at a great time in a great industry. Apply today for unlimited opportunities.